In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide Taskbar in Windows 10. If you want a cleaner desktop with more screen space, or you simply prefer to keep the taskbar visible at all times, Windows 10 gives you a quick way to control that setting. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option and how to turn it on or off so the taskbar behaves the way you want. To get started, open the Settings window on your computer. The fastest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut opens Settings immediately, which is useful if you want to get to the right menu without searching through the Start menu. Once Settings is open, look for the Personalization section and click on it. This is where Windows stores options related to the appearance of your desktop, including background settings, colors, lock screen options, and of course, the taskbar. Inside Personalization, select Taskbar from the menu. This will open the Taskbar Settings page, where you can customize how the taskbar looks and works in Windows 10. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving on, since this is where the option you need is located. Now scroll down until you see Taskbar Behaviors. Open that drop-down menu to reveal additional taskbar controls. In this section, you'll find the option to automatically hide the taskbar. If you want the taskbar to disappear when you're not using it and only show up when you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen, enable that option. If you prefer the taskbar to stay visible all the time, disable it instead. And that's it. As soon as you change the setting, Windows applies it right away, so there's no need to save anything or restart your computer. This makes it easy to test both modes and decide which one works better for your setup. If the taskbar doesn't seem to hide immediately, try moving your mouse away from it or clicking back onto the desktop. In some cases, open apps or notifications can temporarily keep the taskbar visible, but in general, the change should take effect instantly. That's the full process for showing or hiding the taskbar in Windows 10. Once you know where this setting is, it only takes a few seconds to adjust it whenever you want.